Meli moting'o ngano mawuok e piny mar Ukraine omolo e dho wath ma Mombasa. Jambetre mar piny Ukraine e Kenya Andriy Pravendik okone tank tan maro malufu 54 mag ngano go biro konyo ji man kod midhiero mar kech e pacho ka. Bende okone joket mwandu mag piny Ukraine manitie piny Kenya ka osingo ni gibiro kano mwandu gi e pacho ka mondo mi piny Kenya onya cham ma oromo. Nyaka sani kembe ariyo oseikore mar kelo mwandu gi mag pur e pacho ka. Lweny manitiere piny Ukraine gin moko kuom gik ma omiyo kech medore e thurka.
You're right. The President William Ruto also mentioned that one of his goals is to make Kenya self-sustained on food security and to minimize the imports of food. And one of the good examples, wheat. You grow wheat in Kenya, but for a variety of reasons, the amount of wheat you grow is not enough for you, for Kenya. And we have an expertise in that. And I know at least 2 Ukrainian companies willing to come, and they've been part of that Ukrainian-Kenyan business forum last week, which actually ready to come here to help Kenyans to grow better wheat, to grow more wheat. One of the companies is called Evrosem, producing the high-quality seeds, not only wheat seeds, barley seeds, wheat seeds, corn seeds, because I am not an agrarian, but from what I know, it's important the quality of seed, because if the quality of seed is not extremely good, then the crop will not be good. Then the second phase is use of different agricultural techniques for the wheat and for the maize or for the barley to grow better.